ORCA card research. The ORCA card has been around since 2009, and the website hasn't changed pretty much at all since then. Over the years, there have been some complaints about the usability of the site, so we proposed a user research project to try to uncover some of the issues and to understand how current users are using the website. There were three key questions that we wanted to try and answer during this research. How easy is it to create an account? What does the process look like when a user wants to add funds to his or her card? And how easy is it to add a card? Research methods. We chose user interviews, usability testing. From that, we analyzed the data to produce findings and recommendations. User interviews, we wanted to try to get to know the users and how they felt about the ORCA card and refillable cards in general. Usability testing, to really understand the user's experience, we needed to observe their experience using the site. The target audience, we definitely wanted to find participants who took public transportation or who was thinking about transitioning to taking public transportation. People would use the site and people would use the site for administrative purposes. Because of some issues with trying to recruit through the organization and time, we got our participants through word of mouth. Data analysis. We evaluated each recording of each participant session, took notes and organized those notes into common themes to produce findings and recommendations. The usability test, we measured time on task, we measured task success or failure, and we used the same method that we used to evaluate the user interviews because it was a think aloud protocol test. From the user interviews, we were able to come up with a user persona for from our participants. As you can see, this was what a typical ORCA card user would look like. Here's the data that we took from the usability test. Task 1 is of particular note. Time on task. If you look at time on task, you'll see that this is how long it took the participants to find the call to action to try to create an account. Findings. All three participants said that they wanted convenience. There were some issues with the labeling and organization of the navigation of the homepage. It was hard for the participants to find what they were looking for in all three tasks. And the form to create an account was entirely too long. A lot of the information that was asked for in the form was definitely not needed. Recommendations: reorganize the site for findability. Make labels obvious. Don't try to be cute or clever or funny with the labels. Have call to actions labeled properly. Create a mobile application for the user's convenience. Make the site responsive and use larger type for accessibility. Thank you.